Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning about elasticity of supply. What by elasticity of supply? The degree or extent at which supply changes due to change in price only. The degree or extent at which supply changes due to change in price only is called elasticity of supply. So as you know all, when the price changes, supply also changes. How much change is there in the supply due to change in price is calculated or is measured, and that is called as elasticity of supply. Is it a 10% or 20%? How much change is there in the supply due to change in price is measured or calculated, and that is called as elasticity of supply. So what is the formula? It is just like a demand. Instead of the word demand, supply will come. Elasticity of supply, ES means elasticity of supply, is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price. So instead of quantity demanded, here the word quantity supplied will come. So what is the formula? Elasticity of supply is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price. For example, the supply of the product increases by 10% due to rise in price by 5%. What is the elasticity of supply? The supply rises by 10% due to rise in price by 5%. To find out the elasticity of supply, then you have to use the formula. Elasticity of supply is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price. So percentage change in quantity supplied is how much? 10% divided by percentage change in price is 5%. First you have to write the formula, then you have to put the value. 10% divided by 5%. So you will get the answer to ES, elasticity of supply, is equal to 2. So what type of elasticity supply? It is relatively elastic supply. The supply in this case is what? Relatively elastic. When you are getting the answer more than one, it is the case of relatively elastic supply or greater elastic supply. In this way you have to solve the problem when the percentage are given. When the percentage of supply and price is given directly, you have to use the formula, substitute the value and find out the answer and mention what type of elasticity of supply. Sometimes the percentage will not be given to you. When the percentage is not given, how to find out the elasticity of supply? There are 3 steps. You cannot use the formula because percentage is not given. First step, you have to find out percentage change in quantity supplied. Second step, you have to find out percentage change in price. Third step, you have to find out the elasticity of supply by using the formula. For example, that is the problem. Find out the elasticity of supply for the following: price and quantity supplied is given to you. For example, price of the product is rupees 10, 20. Quantity supplied, suppose is 200. It is in units, 200, and here it is 400. So find out the elasticity of supply. So here percentage is not given. You have to find out the percentage. First step, you have to find out percentage change in quantity supply. Whatever the figure that is given in the beginning, it is called as original supply. Original supply is how much? Is 200 units. Beginning, whatever it is given in the figure in the beginning, it is called as the original supply. And new supply is how much? This figure, that is equal to 400. What is the difference in quantity supply? Difference between the two figure is how much? 200. Then you have to find out percentage change in quantity supplied. So what is the formula? Percentage change in quantity supplied is equal to difference in quantity supplied divided by original supply into 100. So difference in quantity supplied is how much? 200 is equal to 200. What is the original supply? 200. 200 divided by 200 into 100. So cancel this. So you will get 100%. Percentage change in quantity supplied is how much? 100%. Now the second step is you have to find out percentage change in price. So for that you have to refer the formula. There are two prices. This is the original price and this is the new price. So what is the original price? Original price is equal to rupees 10. New price is how much? New price is rupees 20. Difference in price, difference between the two figures is 10. Now you have to find out percentage change in price. Percentage change in price is equal to difference in price divided by original price into 100. So difference in price is how much? You are already calculated. Difference in price is 10. Original price also 10 into 100. So is equal to 100%. Now third step, you have to find out elasticity of supply. What is the formula? Percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price. What is the first step answer? First step answer is 100%. Percentage change in quantity supplied is 100%. What is the second step answer? Also 100%. Percentage change in price is also 100%. Cancel it. So you will get ES, elasticity of supply, is equal to 1. So it is the case of which type of elasticity? It is the case of unitary elastic supply. When the answer is 1, then you have to write it is the type of unitary elastic supply. When it is a more than 1, greater elastic supply. When it is a less than 1, lesser elastic supply. So here the answer is equal to 1. So it is a case of unitary elastic supply. So here there are three first steps. First step, you have to find out percentage change in quantity supplied. Second step, you have to find out percentage change in price. And the third step, you have to find out the elasticity of supply by using the formula. So these are the 3 steps when the percentage is not given. If the percentage is given, directly use the formula and find out the answer. After finding the answer, you have to mention what type of elasticity. Is it a unitary or greater or less than unitary elastic supply? Okay, thank you.